Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: latest Wobbly Life build, Roblox signed in and permissions granted. Once done, open the game and head straight to the main menu. Make sure you pick the multiplayer session where space updates occur. You'll then access the patch or event panel. This is the first actionable step. Follow on-screen prompts to check for the space update flag and prepare to download any required assets before moving to the next phase. Once the space update appears, you select it in the patch manager and begin the download. You'll see pack size and progress, so monitor bandwidth if needed. After the files finish, apply the update. This step modifies local game files and triggers asset migration. Make sure to accept any in-game prompts. Sometimes you must confirm avatars or inventory transfers. If the installer asks for a restart, do it now to finalize the update and load new content cleanly. You finish by verifying the update loaded correctly. Join the updated space map and confirm new skybox, objects, and interactions are present. Once verified, check the event log for any warnings or error codes to understand partial failures. If things go wrong, clear cache and redo the install. Make sure your firewall or proxies aren't blocking asset servers. If a reinstall still fails, document the error code and retry after a clean uninstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.